We slamming the kitty.
Oh yeah, we slamming that kitty all day, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. A little bit cold, ain't it?
It's not that bad. It's like a nice summer day. I would try and pull myself back up, but my fat ass will just sink again.
How you feeling, bro? You ain't going into hypothermia, are you?
Nah.
You sure?
Shaking a little bit, but I'm not that far.
Might want to go back to shore and change after this.
Sign of hypothermia, bro.
Yeah, if you stay in those wet, cold clothes, it's gonna be
You
bad.
think you can get up in here if we pull you in?
Maybe.
And then you pull his kayak back?
Yeah,
Where's
I'll
your
pull it
keys,
back.
bro?
My keys are in the kayak.
Fuck.
They're in a tight compartment.
All right.
So they're not
What
too
about
big.
your keys?
I have mine.
So we'll help you, bro. All right, help
Just flip this kayak over.
Put your feet. Can you put your feet on top of that his kayak?
I didn't realize how cold I was.
All right, bro.
Hell yeah, I can trust it.
Yeah.
You started taking a little bit of water.
I wasn't freaking out. I was good. But when there's water, it's hard to hold.
Yeah, I freak out.
Nah, fuck this.
Yeah, that shock hit pretty hard at the beginning.
Yeah, you gotta get in the warm, bro.
I don't have a change of clothes.
You gotta get in the warm.
You're gonna have to strip down, bro.
That's the maiden voyage. One of the scuppers came out,
Are you guys tied up?
and then it started taking water on the inside. And I wasn't gonna sink, but it started kicking from the side.
You wanna go to Jack?
Yeah.
The tether's on the front. Daniel got one and I missed it.
Yeah, bro, you need to go fucking change and shit like ASAP.
Yeah, go jump in this car, bro.
I think I'm gonna drive home naked.
You might as well, bro. It'd be a lot safer.
Hey. Yeah. Oh. See, I can't even feel if I have that or not.
God damn.
Yeah, bro. Turn that fucking heater on, strip your clothes off, fucking dry off.
All right, man.
Thanks, Melton.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
The biggest boss, Silos, baby. Coming to save the day. Honestly, bro, like I could've.
That's a Whopper.
Yes, sir. Let's go, Tyler.
We got a double, baby.
Yes, sir.
slamming the kid.
Oh yeah, we slamming that kitty all day.